solution for team communication. It will work through the 4G cellular tower, and no matter where you are, as long as you have the 4G signal, as long as you have the 4G signal, it will work. And through the 3 steps, you can achieve the call from one country to another. The first step is the walkie-talkie connected to the local service, local 4G service. Okay, and then the second step is from the local service to the global-ptt cloud server. Okay, and the third step is from the cloud server to another walkie-talkie. Okay, so you can achieve the international call. It's not from one country to another country. It's from one country to multiple of countries, to your team members, no matter where they stay. Okay, if you have one member, one staff, he is in Africa, the other staff in Europe, you can call to them at the same time. Okay, just make a group call to them. They will receive your message immediately. Yeah. And if you have a member there in Australia, he's in Australian, you can also call from United States to Australian, because they just through the 3 steps that I introduced to you and to call, and it's a worldwide range. And here is the global-ptt cloud servers IPS. Okay, you can check it. If you want to know exactly where they are, you can make a screenshot and you can search online just by yourself. Okay, here is the technology from global-ptt. Through the global-ptt cloud servers, we will just do the encryption. It's a 3-layer, triple layer encryption, all active together. This is the encryption system: voice encryption, data encryption, and prevents other brands or apps from decoding. This is the POC mode. Okay. We ship from Illinois IL 3 to 5 days. It will arrive to you. Okay, and if you like it, you can order it now, because now there is a promo. We're attending the Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales. Okay, thank you so much, friend, for coming to the live. And then you can see here, this is the clips. I will open the radio, open the battery, and show you the instruction of the battery. Okay, you can see here. Yeah, here is the instruction. You will notice there are 2 SIM card slots, slot 1 and slot 2. Slot 1, it is it's the one that we normally use. But if slot 1 is broken, you can transfer it to slot 2. There's not a big difference. Okay. Slot 2 is a backup, and you may notice here it writes global-ptt POC plus UHF analog, and the module is G8 plus module. Power is 10 watt. Frequency is 350 to 520 megahertz. This is the frequency range on this one. So under the UHF analog mode, actually the G8 plus, it is a wider frequency range. Even the appearance is not as fashionable as the 528 plus, but they are both powerful. And for me, actually, I recommend the G8 plus module better than the 528 module plus. Okay, because no matter it's for programming under the UHF analog working mode or the 4G reception POC working mode, this one is much better than the others. But if you do need the 528 plus, because the 528 plus it is with GPS, SOS, and VHF, that the G8 plus can't do, you can choose the 528 plus. Okay, they are compatible with some other brand under the UV band, but they are only compatible, okay, in the global-ptt system, and the only talking in the global-ptt system, global-ptt1, under the POC working mode, and this one's totally private. It's not compatible with any other brand, and it's totally encrypted. Compared to some other brand from global-ptt, we will not charge the global-ptt platform fee. War Rules 50, no need ham radio license. A GMRS license is enough for the big one. GMRS license from the CE and FCC. GMRS license. Let me show you GMRS. GMRS, yeah, is enough. But if you have a ham radio license, it's okay. Okay. This is our global-ptt server, cloud server, global-ptt platform. Okay. Compared to the others, we don't charge you the platform fee. No platform fee. Okay. And for the radios we show you here, or for global-ptt system, we have the GPS function, the dispatch system, okay, for you to check the radios, to check in the members just by yourself. Do this work with satellite and are inspected? Thank you so much for your question. They don't work with satellite, they work through the 4G cellular tower. Let me show you the technology again and explain to you. Okay. This is a cloud server. They just like the Lalowork or Real PTT, just same them, or Hytera, because we are same and they are our competitor actually. First, the walkie-talkie, it will go through 3 steps to achieve the international call. It is based on the 4G cellular tower. Okay, it's like your mobile phone. It's not a satellite phone. It's like your mobile phone, same your mobile phone. Okay, but it will be a little quite different actually from the mobile phone too. Just through the same 4G cellular tower, same the mobile phone, but the service, the platform are different. If you have a radio and then you want to talk from UK to Australian, okay, or to Japan or to the other country, you must have radios there, and you can call to different country at the same time. You have one radio in your hand. You want to talk to the other radios. Okay, first you talk, press the PTT button, and your voice will go to the 4G local service. 4G local service. From the 4G local service, it will go to the global-ptt cloud server. Okay, and we will do the encryption there. Okay, we will do the encryption there through the global-ptt cloud server. Okay, it is a triple layer encryption. The active voice encryption, the data encryption, and then it also prevents the other brand, the apps from decoding. It's totally private. Okay, through the cloud server, your voice will go to another groups of walkie-talkie. Who can receive your message? Only your team member, only the one you want to talking to. So it's totally private. Who can receive your message? Only the user here. We will give you this one. You buy 4 radio, your user will be 4. You buy 10 radio, your user will be 10. And only between your team members, they can receive your message. You can divide them into different channels. IT department, 1 channel. Customer service, 1 channel. Okay, admin, 1 channel. Okay, just a different channel for different departments for you to use. But if you will buy this one for your family, it is okay. You buy 5 or you buy just 6. You just divide them into different channels. You can do that by yourself. Or if you don't want to do that, we will help you to set the channels, set the groups, and we will offer you. You can change the name, modify the name by yourself. It's just very simple. And it's totally private. You never need to worry someone you don't know. They suddenly talk to you or they can listen to you or something. And if you buy the one with S1 and GPS function, you can check in the location actually on the map. Yeah, I will show the dispatch now. Yeah, you can check it on the map. This is a dispatch account on the PC. After the dispatch, we can check it on the mobile phone. Yeah, you can see here, this is my mobile phone. It's already online, and there is a PTT button here. Press, you can talk. Now let me go to the let me go to the global PTT1 channel, because those radios now in global PTT1 channel, they are online. We can talk to them. Okay, this is the press and talk. You can make a group call. It's very loud voice. We can make a single call. Choose and call. You can choose and call. Now it will be a single call. Okay, press and talk. Only you and the phone, the two of you, can hear each other, because this is a single call. But you can't mark two, because now a while ago I just tried to mark
Enter
two.
The group global-ptt1.
Mark two members is not possible. So one by one. Okay, one by one. This is a dispatch on the phone. On the phone, it will be easy for a small company. Okay, like you have 5 members, 10 members, it's okay. But if you have 100 members, it will be not very simple or very easy for you to manage. You can log in on the PC for the big company, and it has more function on the PC type, on the PC end, on your computer. Okay, you can deal with the SOS on the computer. You can also talk to the member on the computer. This is a dispatch account, dispatch system. Okay, and here is a map on the mobile phone. It is a smaller and it's much easier, much simple. If you don't have a big group, use the phone. It will be very convenient, because we can always carry the phone around, but we can't always carry the computer all around. Okay, this is the dispatch account. Yeah. My God, you're gonna cure me, Bella. No, thank you so much, but I don't want to have a baby anymore. Yeah, hello, dancer. This is the dispatch account. Do you like our radios? Yeah, if you like our radios, I think you can share our live with your friend. global-ptt offers the solution for team communication. Can you give us a simple? We can discuss about it. Actually, we just have it's like a program or campaign. Just to show the videos, and then I think we can give free sample. I will send you message later. I have the whole procedure, how to get the sample and how to take the video, or even not the video, only just take some pictures or video for us, and in your daily life how you use this walkie-talkie, and you send it to us. No need to edit. Okay, we will be the one to edit, and we will just cut the one that we need. Yeah, just send it to us. I think we can offer you free sample. Yeah, but later on I will explain to you better detailed, so you will understand me. If you like, we can do that. Okay, and we can cooperate. I will show you next one, friend. Do you like a metal one? I have a metal radio here. A metal radio, G380 module. 3 colors to choose. This is a different color. 3 colors to choose: silver color, black color, camel color. Okay, the 3 colors. Actually, there's one more color in the shop. One more color in the shop. That's the Cooper color. You can check if you have the Cooper color there. Yeah. Product number 20. Dancer, which one is number 20? Accessories. Number 20 is accessories. This one is G380 model. It's metal. Actually, there are many customers, they love this one very much. You know, metal radios always works better. Can you talk to anyone in the world? Cannot. You cannot talk to anyone in the world. Can I see the accessories? Yeah, show you the accessories later. I think SABE, you don't know the technology, so I will explain to you the technology first before I show the accessories. Okay, the technology here, we call it POC technology. It works through three steps. The first step, from the walkie-talkie to the local 4G service. Okay, for example, the local 4G service in USA, it will be AT, T-Mobile, and Verizon. And on your mobile phone, you can get one SIM card. You can either the one SIM card or two SIM cards from one service only. It must be AT or T-Mobile or Verizon. But the SIM card I offer to you here is a 3-in-1, which can pick up the signal from AT, T-Mobile, and Verizon, all in one. Okay, if you go somewhere, the AT has the strong signal, it will pick up AT. If you go somewhere, the Verizon have better 4G signal, it will pick up Verizon. The first step is from the radio to the 4G local service, okay, to the supplier, 4G supplier in your city, in your country. This is the first step. Okay, then from the local service or from AT, T-Mobile, or Verizon, or any, they will connect our global-ptt cloud server. Connect our global-ptt cloud server. It's not a physical server. We are different from Motorola. Motorola, they are relying on the physical server, which is very expensive. We are relying on the cloud server, and our cloud server, it is all over the world. It's all over the world. This is our system. From the cloud server, your voice will go to another country or another group of radios. If you are in United States, you talk from United States, and your team member, they are in UK. You can talk from United States to UK. And you have a third member in Australia. You can talk to UK and to Australia at the same time. Okay, and here's in Japan. You have a fourth member in Japan. You can talk to the fourth member at the same time. So which means you can talk from United States to UK, to Japan, to Australia at the same time. This is our system. This is a system. This is not. It's different from the ham radio or GMS radio. You need to set it. It's a cloud server. It depends on the system. And from global-ptt, we will offer all those services for you for free. So which means no matter where you are, you can talk in the system. Okay, talk in the system, talk to a team member. We will offer the manager's account. Okay, you will manage them by yourself. We don't charge a monthly fee, service fee, just different from Motorola. We're totally different brand. Our technology are different. Okay, and from us, we will offer this one, the manager's account. You can create channels for your user. For example, you bought 10 radios, you will have 10 users. If you bought 100 radios, you will have 100 users. You can create channels for the 100 users, and you can create, you can separate them to different departments. For example, IT department, you have 10 guys in IT department. You set one channel for the 10 guys. You have 5 customer service in the customer service department. You set the channel for the customer service department. And then the IT and customer service, they can't talk each other. Or if you want them, they can talk, you can set a public channel, join all those people in one channel. Then they can talk. Just set through this one. This is a manager's account. global-ptt offers solution for companies, for team. The most important from global-ptt is about the management system. You can buy any radios, no matter it's a big one or small one, as long as it is global-ptt. They can be joined in the system, same group, same channel, with the global-ptt logo, with global-ptt brand. They can be joined together. And now, guys, you may notice I have 40, actually more than 40 already, different designs, and all those radios are researched and designed by global-ptt. Okay, through global-ptt radio, you can talk worldwide with your team member, and everything, all the members, just under your control. Yeah, this is global-ptt. This is our solution for the company. Okay, no matter you are a hotel, you are supermarket, or you are policeman, you are firefighter. We have the different designs for you to choose. Firefighter, policeman, the big one. Okay, supermarket, hotel, you can choose the small one. And this is not only a small, plastic one. It is metal. Let me show you the sound. It's a hard metal one. 3 years, you use it for 3 years, 5 years, still works great. Okay, and like this one, it's been here for more than 3 years. Until now, it's still as good as new. The voice is still as good as new. Even it's a little bit decay here already. Yeah, because it's a long time. And okay, and I always drop this one on the floor. Still works as good as new. Yeah, this is our radio. It's quite a durable one. So considering the long term, actually from global-ptt, you can get a cheaper solution. We including all the services for you for free. We don't charge. From the other seller, they will charge you separately. They will charge you step by step, but from global-ptt, it's all for free. You pay one time, pay the radio, okay, everything's for free. For the first year, the SIM card is totally free. I can promise you from our live, no talking limit, okay. And then the global-ptt saviors, free, lifetime free, okay. But you do need to pay the SIM card, because the SIM card, we need to pay the local service. Of course, if you don't want to buy our SIM card, starting from the second year, buy a local service. It's the same. But I promise you our price will be cheaper than the local service. That's why we suggest to buy the SIM card or renew the SIM card from us directly. Different country, actually the SIM card will be different. We can open the SIM card plan for you. For example, friend. For example, you have one member in American, another member in Japan, the third member in Nigeria, and you have a fourth member in Australia. You want to talk from United States to Japan, to Nigeria, to Australia. Okay, we will open a SIM card, which is good for you, for your friend, okay, and for your team member, and for the Australian. So 4 in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can open it in one SIM card. So you don't need 4 SIMs. You need one SIM only from us. Okay, and we can also offer combination for the SIM card, North American SIM or Asia SIM. Okay, together in one SIM. Yeah, that's what we can do for now for our client. So you can save your money. You can save your time. Because if you are spread in different countries and regions, okay, like you need a 4 SIM card from the other seller, but from global-ptt, you need one SIM card only. Yeah, okay. And if you are stay in different regions, like you are in Mexico and you have a friend in Canada, you have another one, he's in UK. Okay, we will open the SIM card, which is good for UK, Canada, and also for you good for Mexico. Yeah, in one SIM card. So you pay one SIM only, not 3, not 4. Yeah, we save your money. Okay, and then we save your time. You don't need to go to the local supplier to buy the local SIM card, which will be a little bit expensive. Okay, but if you don't have the SIM card you need, you can buy a local SIM card. Those radios, they are global band 4G radios. Okay, I will just show you this one. This one is it is a K300 module. We offer professional walkie-talkie for team communication. Let me pin for you. This one is a K300 module, and actually the price is quite low for now. You know how much we sell this one? It's 300 at the first time when we start our live. In the year 2023, the price for this one is 346 per pair. 346 per pair. But now the price is quite lower than before. And during we doing a live, I can set a flash sale. Okay, let me set the flash sale first. Then I will introduce this walkie-talkie. Okay, give me 1 second to set the flash sale. From global-ptt, you don't need to worry about the price change. Okay, because if you find the price you order from me is higher, You can come to me, show me, then I can refund you the balance. Oh yeah, just set the flash seal for this one. Down, sir, can I listen to public safety? I don't think so. Hi, welcome, new friend. Yeah, this is Sarah. Let me go on the live. We will finish the live estimate in 30 minutes. Okay, in 30 minutes. And during the live, I will show you our technology and show you the radios. If which one you are interested in, you can tell to me. Okay, I will show you the details. I can open the battery, okay, and show you. This one, it is the K300 model. Now the price is really very low price than the original price. And from global-ptt, actually, we not only selling the radio, but also the service and the system. Actually, the POC radio for now is not very expensive than before, than 2 years ago, because there are so many small sellers, yeah, which can produce this walkie-talkie, but they don't have the service for you, and they will not last long. You can find them, okay, this year. Next year, you can't find them. And if for the 4G radios, if no service, it will not work. Yeah, because the 4G radio there depends on the service. And from us, you never needed to worry that you can't find me. I've been here for more than 2 years already. And this one is K300 model, and this is a antenna, a removable one. You can remove it. After you remove it, you will lose 4G. This is the antenna. And if lost 4G, you can't achieve the first step from the radio to the local 4G supplier. Because we needed to connect this walkie-talkie to the local 4G supplier. Okay, then from the local 4G supplier to the global-ptt cloud server. Okay, if you don't have 4G, you can't pick up the 4G. The first step, you can't achieve it. If you can't achieve it, it will not work. Okay, we must follow the three steps. Okay, and we do the instruction through the third step. It's triple layer instruction all active together. Now this is the instruction system. Voice instruction, data instruction, and also prevents the other brand and apps from decoding. Yeah, this is the instruction system. And guys, we get the certificate. Actually, this is the basic one. If you want to know more about the certificate we made, you can check the web. I went to the web yesterday. I find we have so many actually. We do so many. Spend a lot of money on those certificates. You can check by yourself. Those radio it can sell in USA, in Europe, Middle East, Africa, because we do all those certificates already. Yeah. Here's the one, the metal one. Radios has invented. Are you okay? Invented. It is from the part. YPOS. You know where you are talking? You know where you are talking actually? This is a new technology. This is new technology. We call it push-to-talk over the cellular network. Compared to I know there's a famous brand in UK. I think the brand name is ENTR or what brand? This is ham radio. Yeah, actually we are totally different technology with them. We call it POC radios, push-to-talk over the cellular network. Yeah, if you are ham radio seller and you want to transfer to POC radios, I think it will be good for you, because those radios really just solve the problem of the ham radios that can't reach longer distance. Those radios, they can reach longer distance than a traditional ham radio or GMS radio. When we talk about the POC radio, we talk the system, we talk the management, okay? And when you use ham radio or GMS radio, you just use it for play. Yeah, it's not a professional equipment for communication for your business. Okay, for the firefighter, for the policeman, I think they don't use a GMS radio or ham radio, okay, for their work. Okay, and for they use POC radios, or they use the very famous Motorola brand, because they are very reliable. They are much reliable than a ham radio or GMS radio. And from Global PTT, we offer the solution for the company, for the team. Okay, we offer the system for you. It's a complete system for you to manage the members by yourself. No matter it is for government or it's for business use. Those radios are really good. And you can see, actually there are so many clients over the world. In Singapore, in UK, in Germany, in France, okay, and in USA, Mexico, Canada. We're doing a worldwide business. If you have a hotel, you are owner of a hotel, yeah, you know, from your reception area to your guest room, normally you can't reach, or if you're only shouting, or they will not receive your message. And if you go to the basement, or you use the traditional ham radio or GMS radio, you will not get a good voice. But from us, from Global PTT, a POC radio, it will not be affected by a wall or a building. You can talk from one country to another. Even you are in the basement, you can still use this walkie-talkie to talk. And it's still very clear, loud voice. Now let me do a test, okay? We will just do a test. I will just show you. I will get a helmet, safety helmet, and then I will just cover this walkie-talkie below the helmet. Then we're gonna test voice. Hello, new customer LAD, welcome. Yeah, let me show you here. I get a safety helmet here. It's a white color one. I'm going to cover this radio below the safety helmet, and then I will just show the voice. I just cover this one below to check the voice for you. You know, POC radio just solve the problem of the ham radio, which cannot go long. This one is relying on the system. It's relying on the whole system. And we will offer the system, the service for you for free. And you can use it for lifetime free. Okay, now let me test the voice. Hello.
Hello.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
And this is a voice. It will be not affected by any cover, or you go to, you know, the building in the middle. If you use a ham radio or GMS radio, you can't talk. But this one, even we are in different country, you can talk. And because the technology are totally different. The technology here we are using here is, we call it POC technology, push to talk over the cellular network. And you can also achieve the call from the walkie-talkie to the mobile phone just through the Global PTT apps. The third step is from the cloud savior to the radio. That's the last step from Global PTT. So the cloud savior, we will do the encryption, and it's totally encryption, triple layer encryption. Okay. Let me show you the dispatch account. Through the Global PTT dispatch account, you can talk from the walkie-talkie to the phone. Yeah, this is the talk from the phone to the walkie-talkie. So if you have not a very big team, maybe a team of 5 or 10 members, you can talk. Okay, you can talk to each other. It just works great, works worldwide. Okay, you can see here, there's a map. Okay, you can check the location of the radios on the map. There are many popular radios from Global PTT. In the corner, there is a yellow bag. By checking the yellow bag, you will check all the you can see all the items and the specification. Yeah, choose the one you like. Okay, if you need it, you can order. This one's a K300 model. We can choose to make a single call. Single call.
Enter the group admin 1.
Okay, press and talk. Okay, let me try. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, it's very loud. Okay, and if the two of them are very near, the voice will be not good enough. Okay, and through the walkie-talkie, you can also talk to the phone. You can also talk to the phone. And this is a call, single call. If you want to choose to make a temporary group call with 2 or 3 members, the phone apps until now I don't know how to do that because for me I only make a single call, but later on I can ask our specialist if I want to make the 3 in one temporary group. Can I do that? If I can't do, I think I can create new channels here. Yeah. For example, here.
Enter the group testing 123.
Yeah, I just create a channel of 6 members. Actually, I just create a channel for the 3 members. I can make a temporary group call with the 3 members. And this is the test call for the walkie-talkie to the mobile phone. Yeah, the mobile phone, the global-ptt apps to be open all the time. If you don't need to be open all the time, it will be in the background. Do you mean the background? So do you know what's the meaning of the background? Which means you don't need to open it all the time. If someone is talking, it will remind you automatically in the background. Yeah. But it will, if you don't close it and it's always playing in the background, it will cost a lot of power on your mobile phone. You know, this mobile phone before, and I don't always use it. Before I don't always use it, so I charge charge it 2 days. I charge 1 time. But now I open this one every day.
global-ptt 5.
Every day I charge it. So it will cost a lot of battery of your mobile phone if you keep it opening. So you can log out if you don't need it. If you need it, you can log in. So it will just save the power of your mobile phone. You can also log in through the PC. Actually, this is a PC account. This is a PC. You can also log in through the PC. And on the PC side, there is more convenient on the PC side. So if phone was locked, would the PTT come through phone? It will not. You mean the PTT, the voice? Do you mean the voice? Let me show you. I think it will not. Now I open it, right? And we will just make a single call. I will just test it for you.
Enter the group global-ptt 1.
We will figure out together, okay? Now I will enter into
Enter the group admin 1.
Okay, now you mean I will lock it, right? Now they can talk, no problem. I will lock it. Hello, hello.
Hello, hello.
Yeah, it come out. Can you see here? 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, if I lock it, it still can work. Can you still hear me?
Can you still hear me?
Yeah, it still work. You can still hear the voice. Which means, okay, if it's locked, the PTT still comes through the phone. Yeah. This is the answer. Hello, staters. Do you get me? Now I will just pass it. Okay, this is a K300 model. And here is the PC side, and that one is the mobile phone side. And next, I will just show you another one. We almost finished live. Hello, Helio, welcome. welcome to our live. Yeah, this is a good feature, but it will also cost a lot of power on your mobile phone. I think that's why before I don't need to charge so frequently. Maybe 2 days I charge the phone, but now I need to charge it once a day. If I don't charge it, no more power. Yeah. The apps, it will just cost a lot of power on the mobile phone.
Enter the group global-ptt 1.
Yeah, if you don't close it or you don't exist, it will just keep playing, yeah, on your mobile phone. Next one, guys, I will just show you another walkie-talkie. From global-ptt, you will get high quality radio and a long time service. It's actually the service is lifetime. The global-ptt system is good for lifetime. Hello, color car, welcome. Which is good for lifetime. Or you need to pay the SIM card to continue the local service. Yeah, you can buy a local SIM card, or you can just buy a SIM card from us. There is a SIM card link. So if you want to buy a new SIM card, okay, if you want to buy a new SIM card, you can check by yourself. And the accessories, I will show the accessories before I show you this walkie-talkie, okay? There are many different kind of accessories from global-ptt, and when you order those radios, we will give you for free. This is the accessories for the 528 Plus model. This is a clear earpiece. It is for the 528 Plus model. And we developed a new head mic for the 528 Plus. For the head mic, I want to get your product. Okay, I will send you the product catalog. Okay, wait me a moment. Okay, and then this is the head mic. It's not for free, it's for sale. It's $35 for the head mic for sale. Okay, from global-ptt. It's a high quality one. But the head mic not work on 528. It works on the 528 Plus and G8 Plus. This is the earpiece, the accessories we give to you for free. And then this is another accessories, different designs. Okay, this is the earpiece. It is outside the ear. What are the two buttons on earpiece? Two buttons. Okay, the two buttons on the earpiece. This one, right? One is for POC, the other is for the UHF analog working mode. Let me connect it and show you. I get this one because this earpiece is for the 6500 model. Different model, the earpiece, it will be different, and they are not compatible with each other. They are dedicated earpiece. Okay, I press it already. I connected already. Okay, can you see here? When I press this one, UHF analog, sending message. When I press this one, POC, sending message. Because this is a two standby, so there are two clicks here, two buttons here for you to use. The first one is UHF, the second is POC working mode. Okay. And if you will use it in the 528 Plus model, it will be different. Either you can see here, it will be different too. Not either, different too. Because this one is for the POC. You connect it here, and when you press, it will be working. Okay, under the POC working mode. And the right, it will be UHF and VHF, and you can choose the working mode. It will talk. This is UHF, this is VHF working mode. This is the 2PTT version. Okay, this is the earpiece. Yeah, and here is another earpiece. So to transmit over, not channels, is in different working mode. This is another one. Is the one that outside the ear. Yeah, this one's outside the ear one. It's also very popular. And different designs, different models, the earpiece are different. This is a 2-pin type. Which is good for the G0 And then for the N8 module, yeah, there are different modules. This one is good for the G0 module. We can connect it, it will work. Connect it. This is for the G0 one. Different modules, the accessories will be different, but they are all for free if you order from the shop. Okay, just transmit from to the different working mode, because this radios. Oh, nice. Because the radios, they are dedicated to different designs. They are different, and then the cable wire for you to charge the cable wire charger here. This is the accessories to charge it. And then, yeah, I think that's all for the accessories. And the adapter we will give to you for free. We will review another one because we almost finished our live. Okay, next one, friend, I will just show you another one. Next one in today's live, I will show you. It will be a very popular one from global-ptt. This one, yeah, and you may notice this one is different from the one that I show in our live. This one need a power supply. It is a vehicle radius. This is a vehicle radius. Let me show you here. Do the big ones has 2 ptt button? Yes, the big one has 2 ptt button. This is a power supply for the V1 module. It's a USB type. Okay, now let me connect it. And I will just turn the radio on. Connected here. The other side connected to the adapter. Okay, and then we will just wait for the radio to open to enter into the group. Yeah, this one is the V1. We will just wait for a while. It will need some time to enter. We offer the same card for you for free. Okay, and then when you press the PTT button, you can see the message out. Yeah, this is the SOS button, and this one is actually just not the basic one. This one's a high level one. The high level one with SOS and GPS, and there are 3 languages in the system: English language, Spanish language, and Portugal. English, Spanish, Portugal language. 3 languages in the system. Press and then you can talk. To talk to a team member, talk in the same channel, in the same group. This one's actually just very suitable for the trunk company and for the taxi company, for your drivers. Okay, and if you always go out to travel with your family, I think in your private car you also need one walkie-talkie. Okay, it works great, and you can achieve the international call just between you and your team members, like your family or like your staff or your employee. If you have a trunk, we offer you the another different power supply, which is good for the trunk. This one, the round one. This is the round one. Yeah, this is a round one, which is good for the trunk. Yeah, the trunk driver. You can check this one. If you need, you can charge us. For now, actually, when we ship it, normally we don't ship the round one. If you need, you can tell to us before we ship out. We will offer you that one to you and for you for free. Okay. The V1 module, I will activate the SOS and show you the SOS, and then show you the dispatch. Because through the global-ptt system, you can dispatch the radios. Okay. Now let me show you. This is the SOS. When I press here, this one, you may notice this one, the others, as long as they are online and their SOS, they have the SOS function. Their SOS alarm, it will keep ringing. Okay, SOS is a lifesaver. You can achieve the international call. Okay, and if you can inform the other user, okay, you really need help, you are now in danger. It's a lifesaver. And here, friend, this is the dispatch. You can check the dispatch through the global-ptt dispatch account. Okay, and when you press the PTT button, you can arrange the other members as the other members come to the rescue. Yeah, the dispatch account is good for PC and it's also good on the mobile phone. On the mobile phone, let me show you here again. Okay, on the mobile phone, we can check the dispatch and checking the location of the radius. And this is a dispatch on the mobile phone. Press, you can talk. This is a location function. But for the big company PC, it will be much better and more convenient. Okay, this is the mobile phone apps. The phone apps, if you buy two radios in the live with, and the radios must be with SOS and GPS function, I can offer you the global PTT dispatch account apps for you for free. We don't charge service fee for the apps. Okay, the apps you can use it for free and it's lifetime free. But the radio, if you want the one with SOS and GPS, the GPS function is yearly renew and the GPS service is $15 per year per radio. Okay, $15 for the SOS and for the GPS service. Okay, this one is the V1 module. I will pass it. Thank you so much for you for today. Yeah, there are many different designs from global-ptt. I need a set of 4 basic but durable, maybe 2 to 3 girls in one venue. Which do you recommend? Basic, durable. I recommend this metal ones, which is basic and durable. The metal ones are much durable than the hard plastic one. If you don't need SOS, those ones are the one that works great and quite durable because metal ones are not very easily to get broken and the voice are much better. Yeah. But the metal one, the price, it will be a little bit expensive than the ABS materials one. If you have a budget, I think you have to choose this one, the G0 model. This one is basic one. Yeah, the price is also cheaper. But actually, I recommend G380 model better than those radios if you want the basic one. Let me turn it on so you can check by yourself. For me, I will choose this one, the G380 module, but it still depends on you. Okay. Let me pin for you for these 2 different modules so you can compare the price by yourself and you can check the design by yourself. The one on my left hand, on the left, is G0 module. Let me show you the menu of this one. Okay, come to the member, come to the setting. Okay, this is the setting. This one is 3 languages. If you need SOS, the one with SOS, the price is not expensive. This is the SOS. Okay, we can open it. Not open now in the system. Or in the system. This is G0. Let me test the voice so you can compare by yourself. Now it's in Japan PTT1 channel. I get another one which is in Japan PTT1 too. So we will just test voice of this one, and then I will just test voice of the metal one, so you can just compare by yourself. Wait a moment. We can set the channels for you. So after you get it, you don't need to do it by yourself. Let me check. Hi. Wait a moment. Let me adjust the volume. Hello.
Hello.
1, 2, 3.
That's great.
This is the voice of this one. Okay. And let me check this one. Okay, the voice of this one and this one, the two metal ones. Okay. We check one by one. First, we will just check this one, the K300 model, the metal one. Mark it. Hi.
Hi.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
That's great.
Okay, this is the voice of the metal one. I get another one, this one. We will just test the voice of this one. It is now in global-ptt 3 channel. We will go to the global-ptt 3 channel to talk.
Enter the group.
Hi.
Hi.
1, 2, 3.
That's great.
This is the one, the G388, K300, and G0 model. Those are the basic and small ones. If you want SOS function, the G0 model is the one that with SOS and GPS. The metal one, those two, no GPS, no SOS, the basic one. The battery is long lasting. Okay, the battery for those metal ones are long lasting batteries. Okay, on the black one, how do you change channels? On the black one, do you mean this one? Change channels, right? You can check here, group. This radio one channel only, so you can't change channels. I will just show you the other one. Actually, this is same. Okay, this is the menu button. Okay, this is the menu button. You can choose the group, go to the group, press this one in the middle. Japan PET one, and this one group. You can just choose a group here. It's actually not very hard. Press here this button. You can enter and change. If I put two groups here, you can just select here, select and then press the here this button in the middle. You can enter into the group. Yeah, just by click it and try. It's not very hard. Can you add more groups, or you can add more groups? You can add as you need. You can add 5. You can add 10. Just as you need. We don't set the limit for the group. We can create on one walkie-talkie. You can create 4. You can create 5. For me, I create 18 here in the system. It doesn't have a limit. You can create as many channels as you need in the group. Because you know here, this one we call it Japan PET one because in Japan it's our new market. I set one channel only, but in American I set 17 channels. Okay, so you can set as many channels as you need just in the global PET system. Okay, and you can tell us which radio and who you want to join them in the same channel. Because there is a group list, there is a member list here. You can tell me which member you want to join the same channel. Here is a channel. Select a member, select the channel, and then create new channels. We can create that for you. Not a very big problem. Can you listen to more than one group at a time? We can't listen to one more group at one time. One time we can listen to one group only. One time one group only. But on the phone, let me check it on the phone. Okay, if we can do that on the phone. On the radio, it can't be. We must enter before we can listen, before we can talk. Let me test it. We do a test. Okay. We do a test. Now we will just go out. We will go out. This one's now in global PTT one. I get another one which is not in global PTT one, and we try to talk. We see if this radio it can pick up any signal. Okay. Now I press the PTT 3. nothing is showing here, which means on the mobile phone, if we don't enter into the group, it will not talk. And this one, let me show you here, press and talk. When I press, there is nothing showing on the screen too, so which means can't do. So before we entered into any group, we cannot talk. Only after we entered into the group, then we can talk. Yeah, we entered into the global-ptt1 channel. Now we can talk. Wait a moment.
Welcome to global-ptt.
I will just log in again. Just give me 1 second. We will just do the test again, okay?
Login success, admin 1 user logged in. Enter the group global-ptt1.
Now we are in the it can talk. I think there is something wrong here. Go to all member. global-ptt1 is speaking. Let me show you this one, the global-ptt3. If we just press the PTT button, cannot be. Okay, so now the solution is we can't listen to two groups at the same time. If you want to listen to them, we must enter
the group global-ptt3.
We must enter before we can listen to them. Yeah, can I talk to someone in? Yeah, hello, Alexander. You can talk to someone in another country. Hello, King LV. Yeah, hello, welcome. We will finish our live. Thank you so much for today, for your time, guys. We will do the live tomorrow morning. Hi, Michael MD. How are you? Long time no see. Yeah, I will just leave the live. Guys, do you have questions? If no more, we will finish. Can we look at the yellow one? The yellow one. Okay, sure. Yeah, sure. I will show you the yellow one. Then after we will finish the live, okay? Yellow one, there are two, and their module are different. The left is newly designed. The price it will be $580 per pair, but now there is a promo, so the price it will be a bit cheaper than the original price. And there's another yellow one. It is the 5288, or we call it the 6500 model. 5288 series, and this is the 6500 model. Okay, this is the 5288 plus model or 6500 plus model. The left is plus, the right is the normal one. Let me show them both. Okay, this one's a 3 standby. It talks through the 4G cellular tower under POC working mode, and the middle here is VHF analog. The last line is UHF analog. It is with SOS GPS function, which is good for the firefighter. Which is good for firefighter, for the policeman, which is good for the. Okay, now it is okay. Because this one, I don't press the PTT button. Press the PTT button for firefighter, for policeman, and you can check in the location through the PC side, and you can check in the location on your mobile phone too. This is the PC side dispatch account. Yeah. And also on your mobile phone, you can rotate this button to adjust volume, and this one in the middle is also volume adjustment. There are two antenna, UV dual band antenna, 4G antenna. Okay, and you can use it to make a phone call. Treat your own SIM card. The SIM card will offer can't make a phone call. Dial the number, dial out, then you can make a phone call. So this one is more function actually, a little bit hard, okay, to use. You can, but I will teach, okay, every time I do the live, I will teach how to use it. You can check here global-ptt, and we can flip it, long press, Okay, just flip top side down. Top side down. This is the flip screen. Okay, and there are earpiece. The left is POC, the right is UV band, UV dual band earpiece. Okay, you can see here, press it, go up, come down. And it's compatible with GMR's radio or ham radio. POC is private, but UHF, VHF, you can listen to someone nearby. You can set the frequency here by yourself. The frequency we can set on this walkie-talkie, the frequency range, it will be 136 to 174 megahertz, 400 to 490 megahertz. This is the analog frequency range. The POC, we just talk through the 4G cellular tower. Just 4 steps. Okay, 3 steps. You can achieve the call from one country to another. Wait, first, the walkie-talkie will connect to the local supplier, 4G supplier. And from the local 4G supplier, it will connect the global PTT cloud service. Okay, cloud servers. From the cloud server, it will go to another group of radios, no matter which country you are. Okay, it will go there. And then through the third step, we will do the inscription. It's a 3-layered, triple layer inscription. Okay, all active together. The voice inscription, data inscription, and prevents the other brands and apps from decoding. This is the inscription system from global-ptt. We don't charge the platform fee. Compared to the real work or real PTT, we're going to charge you the third step platform fee. But from global-ptt is for free. We setting the walkie-talkie, and then the SIM card you need to pay because we cooperate with the local service. This is IoT 3-in-1 SIM card. You can buy a local SIM, but from global-ptt, the SIM card actually is very cheap. In England, it's £26 per year per SIM. If you are a new user, you will get a £4 coupon. If you're from USA, the price is $35 per year per SIM. There's no talking limit. Okay, this is between your team members, no talking limit. POC is totally private. UHF, VHF, you can set the frequency and set the time. If the 2 radios are in the same frequency, same time, you can talk to each other. If you don't know its frequency, you can use the frequency scan. Okay, frequency scan. Scan is not, it's actually just a copy function. Copy the frequency of the other radio, GMR's radio or ham radio. Copy its frequency. What other free one? OTS, the free one are the free global-ptt Joe we can offer to you for free. This is a free Joe. Are you creator? This is for you for free. The small guy, it is for you for free. Thank you so much, friends, for your time. We're going to finish our live, okay? Do you have any other questions?